absolutely stitched up like a prawn. What on earth are you doing? Is this a windup?
What? What do you mean?
You actually told me you paid money, more than £1 to put some air in the tyres.
It was premium air. That's what he said.
Oh, no, Beckie, is this an April Fool? Is this an April Fool? Are you really paid 85? Have you really paid £85?
Yes. I thought that was a good deal. Is that not a good deal?
Beckie, are you sorry, but you've interrupted strictly. You interrupted strictly. Oh, are you just being bloody silly? You trying to wind me up?
I'm trying to wind you up. I'm sorry.
Okay. It's all right. See, I don't believe I could somebody that stupid. Honestly, it's like, I was ashamed that I could have actually sired anybody that stupid.
What was his face, Mum? I want you to describe it. What was Dad's face?